I'm an expert at basketball. Ready? I'm not really.
So Sebastian, you got to the 15 seconds, do whatever you want.
Okay. So what should I say? Okay, I got 2 words. I think it's 2 words. It's jobb and jobba jobb.
You have 15 seconds, do whatever you want.
Are you kidding with me? I don't want to do this. 15 seconds. And it's out. Hello!
Maybe a second, like really.
Vet jeg kanskje introducing or... Vet jeg introducing?
15 seconds, yeah. Okay, guys, life is like a box of chocolate, you know? You never know what you get. So I was in like 10th international exchange, and this is really, really good organized. So now we... and...
Polish football team is the best, I think. Oh boy. Nie wiem. Nie wiem, kończymy to. No. So I have to talk something? No, just... Oh gosh.
15 seconds? Starting from when? Starting from now? Is now 15 seconds?
You're right, Pat. I'm Christiana, yours is David, from Wales. There we go. Right, I'm Lorraine, I'm from South Wales, around the valleys. We have sheep, lots of them, and I'm 17. She's just waving at me. Sorry. Finished? And thank you.
Hello, I'm from Poland. My name is Justin. Justyna!
Okay.
50 minutes.
Wait, I mean seconds.
Yeah. I don't know. Yeah. What?
That's it.
Yay.
Can I just say my name and then go?
Okay, my name is Jessica, I'm 17, I'm from the Rhondda in Wales, and this is David. No.
We're on. Counting from... Echo is a lot.
Now? Oh my god. And? Here?
No, it was great.
Please, I can't say.
I really didn't know how to do this. But which question?
What's Sweden? Okay.
And?
What? Sorry? No, that's not good. I'll stop now.
Oh. Okay, my name is Lena. I am from Latvia, and that was very nice to meet you, every one of them. And I hope that I will see you in other exchange program. Bye.
Oh. And to what exactly? Tell something? Whatever I want. Starting when? Right now? Okay. Wait. I'm thinking. You didn't start yet? You started? Okay.
Dancing? Like what? I don't have any music.
I don't have any music, I'm sorry.
You are great.
Thought?
Suck? No.
So we really we really enjoyed this camp, and we would like to say many thanks to everyone.
Yeah.
For
And we have only 15 seconds, and I think we need to dance like others. Something to dance.